business owner. So, corporation siya. So, walang particular person na owner talaga since corporation siya. And, we could give you na lang, I could give you the name na lang ng president, Enrico Roque. Mr. Enrico Roque.
So, date ko na na-establish ko yung
March 24, 2009.
Yan lang.
28, March 28, 2009.
yung initial number of workers ko. As of now,
240 employees.
yung number ko ng equipment facilities.
What do you mean?
Yung pool,
We have four na pool. I-name ko na lang din wave pool. And then the kiddie pools. Avatar, common pool yun. And the infinity pool. So basically, nag-start talaga sila from front to riches talaga. Nananampalok si Mayor Rico. Tapos si nanay nila nananahi. Dumating yung, there were times talaga na si Sir Rico daw pag Saturday and Sunday nananahi. And then si Sir Ricky, naglalaban ng gamit nilang mag-anak. Kasi si nanay nga nananahi. Pag walang tahi, nananampalok si Sir Rico at saka si Sir Ricky. Ayun.
So, ano po yung naging motivation po niya para po mag-ano po sila ng isip magkaroon ng resort, ng...
Actually, nag-start lang sila. Second lang naman to. Initial, ang first talaga nila sa Tampisaw. And then from there, parang nakaisip si Sir Rico na bakit doon siya nag-business sa lugar na hindi naman siya nakatira. So that's why he decided na mag-put up ng resort in his own town dito nga sa Tandi para mabigyan niya ng trabaho